In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PowerPoint presentation to Google Slides. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to collaborate more effectively using Google's suite of tools, or if you prefer the cloud-based advantages and accessibility that Google Slides offers. Whether you're working on a group project, preparing for a presentation, or simply looking to harness the unique features of Google Slides, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, you'll want to start by accessing your Google Drive. This can be easily done by logging into your Google account and navigating to drive.google.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by your Drive's dashboard. Take this moment to get familiar with your Drive's layout if you haven't already, as it will help in maneuvering through the steps seamlessly. Next, locate the New button. It's usually on the left-hand side of your screen. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Hover over the File Upload option, as this is the step where you will be bringing your PowerPoint file into the Google ecosystem. Select your file by navigating through your computer's File Explorer, find the PowerPoint file you wish to convert, and begin the upload. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a few moments, so it's a good point to maybe double-check your internet connectivity or grab a quick drink while it uploads. When your upload is complete, the PowerPoint file will now appear in your Google Drive. To proceed with the conversion, you can right-click on the file, hover your cursor over the Open With option, and then select Google Slides from the additional menu that pops up. This action initiates the conversion process. Google Slides will automatically convert your PowerPoint file into a format it can easily work with. Once the file opens in Google Slides, take a few moments to go through the slides to ensure that all elements, like text and images, have been smoothly transitioned. Occasionally, you may need to adjust fonts or reposition elements to match the original presentation, as there can sometimes be slight differences when transitioning file types. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint file is now fully converted to Google Slides and stored in your Google Drive, allowing for easy editing, sharing, and collaboration. You can now easily share the file by clicking the Share button, inviting others to view or edit it as needed. By leveraging Google Slides, you not only have a converted document, but also a dynamic tool that enhances teamwork, facilitates remote work, and ensures that your presentation is accessible whenever and wherever you need it. Happy creating, and may your presentations be as engaging as they are insightful.